go to the next slide where it has number, do you see number 9 through 12? You guys see that? All right, here we go. So you can either use the method we learned yesterday, or if you can recognize this is x being squared, this is 5 being squared, and the middle is 2 times x times 5, then it's a perfect square trinomial. And some students, this just flips them out. So what I'm going to tell you is you don't have to recognize perfect square trinomials. So this is, without even doing the work, if I understand perfect square trinomials, it just makes my life easier. And if you're like, I don't get that, then don't worry about it. Think of two numbers that multiply to 25 and add to 10. So it'd be x plus 5, x plus 5. You can do it that way. Here's kind of the problem as we work through these. In number 10, can you think of two numbers that multiply to positive 49, George, and then add to negative 14? Yeah, so do you see, I can do it like that. That's no problem. Just notice when you take something times itself, that's a quantity squared. Now, here's the difficulty. I am never going to give you huge numbers unless they turn into perfect square trinomials. So I'm never mean about the problems I give you. I'm never ever trying to trick you. I'm trying to see what do you know, and that's all we're doing. But we're covering perfect square trinomials, so I want to see if you can recognize one. But if you don't like this, 9 times 49 is a pretty big number, and that's going to take you longer to do. And it's fine, but just know that it'll take you a little bit longer if you don't want to learn perfect square trinomials. So 9x squared is 3x times 3x. 49y squared is 7y times 7y. In the middle, is it 2 times 3x times 7y? Well, 21xy times